What if the Earth, our home, was on a countdown to its end? How would this happen and when? Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating, albeit unsettling, possibility. We will weave a narrative of hypothetical events, a timeline that could lead our beautiful planet to its demise. But don't fret, this is a journey of exploration and understanding, not doom and gloom. So buckle up, fellow time travelers. Let's embark on a journey through time and space to the possible end of our world. We begin our tale with the Sun, our life-giving star. The Sun, a blazing ball of superheated gas, has been the backbone of life on Earth for billions of years, fueling the processes that led to the existence of life as we know it. But like all stars, our Sun is on a journey with a beginning, a middle, and inevitably an end. Imagine a gigantic cosmic furnace, continuously fusing hydrogen atoms to create helium and releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy is what we perceive as sunlight. This fusion process, however, is not infinite. As the Sun burns through its hydrogen fuel, it begins to change. Fast forward several billion years into the future, and the Sun will exhaust its hydrogen supply. When this happens, the Sun will begin to fuse helium into heavier elements, like carbon and oxygen. This shift in nuclear fusion will cause the Sun to expand, transforming it into what astronomers call a red giant. In this phase, the Sun will swell to such an extent that it could potentially engulf the inner planets, including Earth. The surface of our planet would be scorched. The oceans would evaporate, and life, as we know it, would cease to exist. But the Sun's story doesn't end there. After its red giant phase, the Sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a dense core. This core, called a white dwarf, will be the remains of our once vibrant star. Devoid of fusion, it will slowly cool and fade over countless eons, leaving behind a dark, cold, stellar remnant. This might seem like a bleak outlook for our home planet and the life it harbors. But it's important to remember that this is a process that takes billions of years. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. But fear not, this event is still billions of years away. So, while the Sun's swan song is inevitable, it's not something that should keep us awake at night. Instead, let it inspire awe and wonder at the majestic, dynamic universe we're a part of. From our Sun, we turn our gaze to the cosmos. The universe, in all its vastness, is a cosmic ballet of celestial bodies. But remember, these heavenly bodies are not just for our viewing pleasure. They also pose potential threats to our existence. Imagine a rogue asteroid, a cosmic cannonball, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. The energy released by an asteroid of significant size hitting Earth could be 1,000,000 times greater than the largest nuclear bomb. The resulting impact would cause massive fires, tsunamis, and a winter-like condition that could last for years, making life unsustainable. And then there are gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe, capable of releasing more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will in its entire 10 billion years of life. A burst anywhere near our solar system would strip the Earth of its protective ozone layer, exposing all life to deadly solar radiation. Let's not forget about black holes, these cosmic vacuum cleaners with gravitational pulls so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. While the nearest known black hole is more than 1,000 light-years away, an unexpected close encounter with one could spell disaster, sucking Earth into a point of infinite density. Our universe is also home to supernovae, exploding stars that can outshine entire galaxies. A supernova occurring close to Earth could bathe our planet in deadly radiation, frying all life forms instantly. There's also the possibility of a rogue planet, a world that has been kicked out of its own solar system, smashing into Earth. The collision would be cataclysmic, vaporizing everything in its path. The cosmos is filled with cosmic catastrophes waiting to happen. But before you start building your doomsday bunker, remember, these events, while possible, are highly unlikely. The universe is vast, and we are but a small speck in it. While these events are unlikely, they remind us of our place in the universe. Now let us turn our attention closer to home. As we explore the potential cataclysms that could bring about the end of our world, we cannot overlook the role we humans play in this narrative. Humanity's actions and decisions have a profound impact on the Earth's health and future. Two pressing instances of this are nuclear warfare and climate change. Imagine a scenario where tensions escalate and countries resort to the unthinkable: nuclear war. The immediate destruction would be catastrophic, with cities vaporized in an instant. But the aftermath would be even more devastating. The detonation of nuclear weapons would thrust enormous amounts of dust and soot into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight. This nuclear winter would cause temperatures to plummet, crops to fail, and life as we know it to grind to a halt. Then there's climate change, a slow-moving disaster that's already altering our world. Our relentless consumption of fossil fuels has pumped vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, raising the Earth's average temperature. This global warming is driving more frequent and severe weather events, from hurricanes to heat waves. But it doesn't stop there. Rising temperatures are melting polar ice, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal cities. They're also disrupting ecosystems, pushing countless species towards extinction. If left unchecked, climate change could render large parts of the Earth uninhabitable, leading to mass migrations, resource wars, and societal collapse. The scenarios are chilling, but they're not inevitable. We have the knowledge and technology to avert these disasters. We can decommission nuclear arsenals, shift to renewable energy, and build more sustainable societies. But these solutions require collective action and political will. As we stand at this crossroads, we must remember, the Earth is our only home. We have a responsibility to protect it, not just for ourselves, but for all the life it supports. We are the custodians of this blue marble spinning in the vastness of space. Our actions today can shape the future of our world. Let's ensure it's a future worth inheriting. We've explored the heavens and our own actions, but what does the final countdown look like? Imagine, if you will, a grand symphony of planetary demise. The first notes are subtle, barely noticeable. They're the whispers of a changing ecosystem, the quiet rustling of leaves in a forest that's slowly thinning out. This is the loss of biodiversity. Species start to disappear, ecosystems collapse, and our planet's intricate web of life begins to unravel. This is not a sudden event. It's a slow, gradual process, like sand slipping through the fingers of time. Now, the symphony swells into a somber melody. The oceans, those vast and mysterious bodies of water that cover more than 2/3 of our planet, begin to evaporate. It's a process that takes millions of years, but in the grand scheme of the universe, it's but a blink of an eye. As the oceans disappear, so does the water vapor in our atmosphere, our planet's protective blanket. This exposes Earth to the harsh radiation of the sun, causing a gradual increase in surface temperature. Continuing down this grim path, we reach the climax of our symphony. The surface of the Earth is now a barren, inhospitable landscape. The sky is no longer blue, but a harsh, unforgiving white. This is the point of no return, the final moments of our planet. The Earth's core cools, the magnetic field weakens, and without its protective shield, our world is exposed to the full force of solar and cosmic radiation. And then silence. The last note of our symphony is not a loud, dramatic end, but a quiet, peaceful fade into oblivion. This is the end of Earth, a silent testament to the eons of life, evolution, and progress that once flourished on its surface. This is a theoretical end, but it's not set in stone. The future is not yet written. It's a blank canvas, waiting for us to paint our own destiny. The final countdown may be inevitable, but how we face it and when it happens is up to us. We've painted a bleak picture, but is this the end, or could it be a new beginning? Let's not forget, life on Earth has proven itself to be incredibly resilient over millions of years. It has survived ice ages, meteor impacts, and volcanic eruptions. As we speak, In the deepest ocean trenches and the harshest desert climates, life thrives in forms that are both fascinating and alien to us. Who's to say what new forms of life might evolve in the face of these earth-shattering changes we've discussed? Then, there's the indomitable spirit of humanity. Our capacity for innovation and adaptation is unparalleled. We've already begun to explore the possibilities of colonizing other planets. Mars, for example, is within our sights. We're developing technologies that could terraform the red planet, making it suitable for human life. Our dreams and ambitions reach even further, to distant exoplanets orbiting other stars. In the face of the end, we may find a new beginning. The Earth, our cradle, may cease to be habitable, but the vast cosmos offers countless other homes. We're just at the dawn of our spacefaring journey. So, while we must respect and care for our home, we must also prepare for the future, whatever it may hold. The end of the Earth might not be the end for life or for humanity.